Bedbugs go through 5 stages of development after hatching from their tiny eggs. At some stages, they are so small that they can be difficult to see and identify. Properly identifying bedbugs is one of the most important steps in their elimination. Once bedbugs have been properly identified and their locations noted, a successful heat treatment can be performed. The eggs are nearly microscopic and virtually clear. They are often found in groups hidden inside furniture where they cannot be easily disturbed. Once the bedbug emerges from the egg, a translucent shell is left behind. When the bedbugs hatch, the young nymph's body is nearly transparent. These small bedbugs will feed and turn red. Once they have fed, they will molt and shed their outer shell. Each stage ends with the bedbug shedding their outer shell and having a blood meal. There are 4 more stages that the bedbug must go through before becoming an adult. At each stage, the bedbug becomes bigger and darker in color. During these stages, they also leave behind small dark droppings that can be found in an inspection. At full size, bedbugs are a reddish brown and approximately 8 millimeters in length. They like to feed every 1 to 3 days, but they can go as long as a few weeks without a meal. Their blood meals usually take about 5 to 10 minutes, and they prefer human victims over other animals. Once a proper identification has been performed, you can begin a professional heat treatment.